say the man is the man, bro. And again, Vybz Kartel career is the pinnacle where every dancehall artist want to reach and surpass.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock? Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them?
And you don't know Media Fox, you know. You understand? I know things set. You see it? So, people, I see what going on media with Vybz Kartel things, see? They might use an advantage over the artists them for where Kartel or they must say, yo, no dancehall artists never do this and all of these things. See? Which is fine. No dancehall artists never do it. And I don't think no dancehall artists would ever do what Kartel do. I'm gonna tell you why. So, if you look on the screen, people, Vybz Kartel visa did evoke in a 2025. See? Him go prison 2011. See? So basically, you know say from 2005, 2025 now, you know say that at 20 years, him not go to the US. Right? Remember you know, him get back in visa for go US. Buju Banton, Beanie Man, Bounty Killer, right? And out of the four of them, only two alone set the same pace, which is Buju Banton and Vybz Kartel, which you know so when Buju Banton go US, him do some back-to-back arena and thing, right? Kartel go the same thing, back-to-back Barclays. See? This is the thing now. Them two man ya go prison, Buju and Vybz Kartel, right? Vybz Kartel do 13 years, Buju do 10. See? Nobody could see them. All of them travel come to Jamaica, whatever, them couldn't do no shows, right? So the demand I go high, but let me tell you what the problem now. The demand I go high more than Buju Banton, because when Kartel visa them get evoke, remember say some of these places him not even ever go in him lifetime. Seeing all before him officially turn an artist. Seeing? So you know say alright, film demand I go very high. I don't think no other dancehall artist in history ever get a demand of absence in a dancehall. Vybz Kartel so lucky, right? Vybz Kartel so lucky. Say all of this timing end up at the right time buying get back all these visas at the same time. That is the thing, you know. Regularly artists would get back UK visa but not get USA. Him get back all of the visas at the same time. See? Remember, you know. So, you know him run around US and every little thing. See? Him have him hit song them. Fine. Remember, you know. So, basically now, Beanie Man get back in visa, right? 10, or I think about what? 10 years him now go. I think at 10. Yeah, 10 years him now go USA. For Zine, Beanie Man do a show. But him do want to do the back-to-back. But look at now. The next show get Radam. You know why that get Radam? Because people could have seen Beanie Man same way buying coming to Jamaica. Him have him visa for go UK, him have him visa for go Canada, right? So when him do shows at these places, the same people from the USA see him. Fly go these countries and everything, fly come to Jamaica, them see him. So that break down the high percentage of demand when for have like Vybz Kartel. See? Alright. Same with Bounty Killer. Bounty Killer forward, but he never done a back-to-back. He only do one show in a Barclays. Zine, which Bounty Killer demand I got very, very low because like him is an artist where everybody see. Zine, fly come to Jamaica, every party, but most of the party them Bounty Killer there. Zine, see him with Beanie Man too. And you don't know when him go UK, people see him same way. Cause remember, you know, people travel all over the world, you know. So when him travel go different place, them I go see them artists here. It's not like Vybz Kartel now, we lock up for 13 years. Them couldn't see him. See? So this at USA, you know him done him tour and everything. See? Look at now people. The UK now, him no go there for about 20 years. See him? See him like US. 13 years in a prison. Them couldn't see him. See him? You know that's gonna be a higher demand this now. Yeah, a higher demand. See? So all of that little build up there and every little thing, you know, say it go equal in all these shows. Enough people never see Vybz Kartel perform these songs. Because him there Jamaica, him visa get evoked. Remember on the know what Kartel did that do, you know. The badness, all of them little thing there. So him call them thing they done pan himself. See? Cause I remember him father road get back visa more than enough of them artists would even have a conviction pan them name. See? Alright. So 20 years not being in the UK, 13 years locked up in a prison. See? Nobody couldn't see him for 13 years. So you know more demand that go there. While him there prison, him a drop his song them and all of these things. See? And remember this. Vybz Kartel get the biggest endorsement in a dancehall. You see it, you see the link up them everything. See? Enough for the dancehall. And remember this, you know, people. You can say right now, Vybz Kartel are 49 so reach 50. And right now, they might try and make it compete with him and these young artists. Right now, the past 10 years, be a young artist in a dancehall. The big man them, where would I match up with Kartel agent, will be Shaggy and Sean Paul. You understand? Them man there. Movado. The other rest them are young artists them. See? Very young. So look now, them man in no build no career yet. 10 years. Remember you know Kartel in a game for about 30 years, you know. See? 30 years. And them man, some of them not even scrape 5 years. So when you hear them forward out and I talk about yo, no dancehall artists never do this. Them majority of dancehall artists, them young right now. Them young. The one them who are current right now, young. Them not do no years yet. Them not build no catalog yet. You understand? Catalog not take small amount of years, you know. Especially the amount of hit songs where you have. You understand? None of them youth not build that yet. Some of them career not see 2 years. So me hear them talk about yo, Kartel, this and that and Ray. Other artists out there. You have to understand, say look here, them man people see them for the 13 years where Kartel they are prison. You understand? Because them a try use an advantage over the artist. Them and realize say, bro, everything we Kartel I do, we know why the reason. See? So after I'm shell down UK and everything. See? Here comes Canada. See? Here comes Canada. This is the thing now. Kartel never yet been in Canada before. Pre this, you know, people. Vybz Kartel never have traveled in a lifetime go Canada. Him travel go US and him travel go UK already. But him never travel go Canada. You realize say that's why the 3 show thing could have gone. And you know what the next big thing? A OVO present the show. That even worse, Drake, the GOAT in a hip hop. I keep Kartel show. So it shows say yo, that is more impactful. You understand? More demand pan that. You understand? So people don't understand say bro, the amount of artists who go Canada go do show already. Kartel are 49, so 49 years. See? And if you do the maths, people, so 20 years not being into the US, 20 years not being into the UK, that are 40 years, you know, and 49 years not being to Canada. So if you check up that, that's about 89 years that. See? 89 years, that nearly double Kartel age. So you so when you do the maths, you know say look here, yo, Vybz Kartel get a demand in a dancehall. Me not think no dancehall artist are gonna ever get that. For them, especially if you're a man where drop a lot of hit song, where release a lot of songs. The only thing him song them not really get the award them and certain little things wait for get. You understand? If a man will release so much song, him should not get more. You see it? But him come with the controversy and all of these things. See? I have some song where I go on with a thing. You see? But when you check it for your example like Alkaline now, it shows that your Alkaline thing powerful. Because look here, when I see it, I'm say yo, that you pull 12K. Remember, you know, Alkaline not going to UK for 8 years. But tell me what the difference. See? Tell me what the difference now. Alkaline, people could have got Jamaica and see Alkaline. USA and see Alkaline. See? A good while him not go Canada, but him did go Canada before. Him not go there for a long while. But people did still see Alkaline. See? So people from the UK I travel come to Jamaica, going to US, Canada, all these places, Caribbean, still I see Alkaline. Seeing? So you know say him not have the high demand there really. Seeing? But when you go as a little young youth, remember you know Alkaline just gone a decade and plus, you know. Seeing? And him a pull them huge crowd, yeah. You understand? So I say you know say yo, the catalog where you put out, same like Vybz Kartel catalog. You know say yo, the youth your catalog big, like it impactful for this happen. You understand? And remember say yo, him not use no strength from nobody, him alone. See? So them a use Vybz Kartel for where they say advantage the demand and everything over any other dancehall artist. And I try use it for compare say yo, wait, Vybz, me telling already, you know. Vybz Kartel create history for himself. Cause remember, you know, the man at 49, Vybz Kartel are doing first world tour. I don't know what people really expect for happen because them are pre the history, but them not pre where they call it. Them not pre the ingredients of a cause the history. You understand? The 13 years, the years of missing. Imagine Kartel are a big artist, great artist, Zine. And you are tell me say after 49 years I've never been to Canada. You no expect him I go create this impact here over any other dancehall artist. At that you see these things and I go on like say yo this man, the man create history. Him supposed to do this. You understand? It's supposed to happen. Down the line, when everything kind of fade, when you not go realize what going on. You see it? Because you not do the maths, you know, you not do the calculation, you know. You not do the calculation. Because you not hide a lot of things with Vybz Kartel. You see it? You not hide a lot of things you not hide with Vybz Kartel. You see it? A lot of things, because a lot of things go on at the media when it comes to ticket sales, and even in the UK. When the ticket them at 2.95, a lot of things go on when you not realize enough of the ticket them. But why? Him a go Canada now after 49 years, people. The ticket them a go sky high. A demand, you know, a business. When something new, it a go. When a new 2025, 2026, the cost a go high for the vehicle. So Kartel never yet been in a Canada. And OVO a present the show. One expect. It three show them a go sold out. We expect that. But don't use that over the artists them for say yo, where artists and bill it to the artists them. Yeah, you can say man do that. But you use that with Kartel for bill it to the artists them. But yo artists them they are road and them couldn't do this and where. How the artists them for do what Kartel do when Kartel was the only one locked up. You understand? When you're there road every day people see you, them get tired of you. Rain no demand now go there. And when people not, let me tell you this. You see when people see every day, them lose respect for you. You see when them not see you, highly respect there. So everybody go forward off to see Vybz Kartel. You understand? Because them never seen perform yet. Him couldn't go all of these places. Remember him never did that do them something about then, you know. Him never did that do it. You understand? If him did that do it now and then, come do it after prison again, then we could have said, yo, Ray, but I'm first world tour. So it's going to be impactful. And the man at 49, soon after I'm go just go on easy. It's so late in a way where him supposed to do world tour long time, but life does catch up on the wrong timing. You understand? But people, we're going to see what the brother is saying. We're going to listen to what he says. See?
Exactly this we are talking about. One more night added.
One more
night added. Bro. Is it answer? Never been done before by a dancehall artist.
True.
And mind you, I got state this again.
You see, same thing when I talk about. Him say never been done by a dancehall artist. Bro, it is expected, bro. Like, These man, yo, some of the time, yo, yeah, tell it to brother. Brother, no dancehall artist nah go do what Vybz Kartel do, bro. You have to just admit the fact, yo, brother. The man never been to Canada for years, bro. When Sean Paul and Shaggy them, Elephant Man them, the whole of them are toured down Canada for years. Kartel never yet do that. So the man have create an impact in Canada. Remember, you know, bro, the man have hit songs and all of these things there, you know. You understand? So now for understand, say, yo, bro, who else are gonna do that? When them never been absent like Kartel and all of these things. Bro, sometimes when you think, dog, you understand? Kartel are doing mad, yeah. It look good for the dancehall, but Kartel create some milestone for himself. You understand? Yeah. Cause at the end of the day, the dancehall artists nah get the endorsement where Kartel even get either. Them nah get it, brother. Nobody nah give none for them artists and a dancehall strength. You know see? Kartel have Khalid. Him have all of these artists, Cardi B, all of these. I wanna see rapper them a fall on him stage. Whiskey, African artists, all of these artists endorse this man. So that even make things worse, bro. Drake endorse Kartel. The only somebody him endorse, I must say Popcorn. Bro, none of them artists, yeah, bro. I be a young artist in a dancehall, you know. Most majority like 80%, you know, 80, 10% a dancehall artists them young right now. Young. Even about 10%. 90% of the artists them in a dancehall right now, young. The other 10% them, I don't know, Kartel, all of them, yeah. When we are talking about current, where we are talking about artists, we are talking about current where who would call up. You understand? Vybz Kartel, Movado, all of them artists there. 10%. The majority of them are like, you'd have like, remember, you know, bro, the man, what, Kartel do what? 30 years in a game. Movado do, I don't know, maybe like 20, 25 or so. You understand? So a lot of artists, we're in the thing real now. We are talking about TG and Valiant, them and them artists there, bro. Them man they young in the game, brother. The man, enough man no brush 10 years yet. So me understand. You see it? Yeah. So some of the time when now compare with Kartel, I do knowing what cause Kartel for do all of this. When I made like the artists them now do nothing. The artists them need more. The artists them need to do more bass pan. The man them have a lot ahead of them, brother. The man have years ahead of them. You see it? Years ahead of them, brother. You see me? Kartel just a lucky artist in a dancehall. And that me I tell you, lucky. Cause who did know say I go father road? Who did know? Say I go father road. You see it? So I just one of them thing there.
Cost of the ticket there. See what I say? The cost of the ticket there. But yesterday my GM I know say I know ticket master crash yesterday.
Yes, man.
You see it? How many people are jumping a queue? Man, shall we not gonna go put on for a fortnight? Import, bro.
Yo, me tell you with them money, you know. Them money I don't talk. I always see that me that the money I talk about this fortnight. Fortnight. You know one Vybz Kartel thing 4-night show, bro. But sometimes I feel like I'm gonna do this overrated thing, you know. This overrated thing, bro, let me tell you this, brother. I don't realize how this thing work, you know, dog. You see it? And the thing is that, you know, Kartel even a cut him demand because I try do everything in a 1 year. You see it? But you don't know him I grab the bag from now. You see who to tell anything can happen down the line. You see it?
Want to work with that with you, that story. Impact, bro. I just the amount of music was still like the amount of music was straight. Impact, bro. You see it? Right now, J them look on the G now one whole different light when them see this, you know.
Definitely.
The demand, you know. It's a whole different light, you know. Just our old people them can't see this. Dog, as we tell you, there's no comparison to Vybz Kartel when they come on to dancehall music.
Bro.
There's not.
Brother, who compare with Kartel? I don't understand. Who compare Kartel thing, bro? You understand? Nobody now compare Kartel thing. Who now compare Kartel with the young artists them? Knowing say, yo, Kartel do so many years in a dancehall than them artists that we had do 5-10 years, bro. Who now do it, you know, brother? Who now do it? You understand?
Reasons why I say it. Reason being why I say this, brother. Nobody never do them thing before in a dancehall, bro.
Not one.
We see them thing unfold before. What is left to say?
Bro, you know, no sense. Una use them something I never been before. Bro, say if you say it never done been before, Zine. Brother, who in a dancehall go prison for 13 years? Tell me no. Who in a dancehall artist never go Canada for 49 years? Tell me. Prison plus no go these. Who? Bro, Kartel alone. You understand? So nobody else in a dancehall now go do it, bro. You don't understand? And remember this, bro. And a Kartel alone I do these things. Him get him help them from all these. Bro, you don't know the system, you know. Bro, you know see Khalid and how much people are link up with the man. It's a network, bro. Network. Drake. You think if Drake never do this, you think the Kartel could not do them something in Canada, brother? It's like gonna see what I go on, dog. Down the line now go realize. You understand?
The man is the man, bro. And again, Vybz Kartel career is the pinnacle of every dancehall artist want to reach and surpass.
I don't know what you mean, you know, bro. Not every artist want to do what Kartel do, brother. And remember this, brother. You have to put everything what Kartel do. Remember say man go prison. Remember that. Some don't know what kind of pinnacle you are at, bro. Artists them for do them thing. You understand? Kartel now no limit. There's no limit more than you get what you want to achieve, bro. You understand? You not try put Kartel as this pinnacle for dancehall. Bro, remember say Shaggy and Sean Paul surpass Kartel thing, brother. You understand? Surpass Kartel thing. Me know now go say, yo, the man in a full arena and ray, bro. But at the end of the day, the man them achievement shows. And the man them still a tour after 50 years. In our music, them still a do them tour, them still a do them shows same way. They might not do the back-to-back like Kartel, but the man them a perform on some huge stage and represent dancehall same way, bro. Kartel just a do this, dog. Just. Him never did do this back then, brother. Shaggy them a do it now and a do it then. Seeing? Man them still a pull some numbers same way, bro. You understand? So, you see when reality hits and Kartel do all I'm sure them and every little thing, bro. You not gonna realize. Bro, remember say Kartel no gone a year in a show doing it, you know. Him gone about what, 10 months? Him start January about 10 months. Seeing? Or 9. Yeah. No man, a 10 months, yeah. 10 months the man gone in shows, bro. 10. Almost sure. Him don't gone 50 show yet. Bro, you not realizing, bro. You just work with the hype and the thing with Kartel thing, you know, bro. You understand? But at the end of the day, Kartel thing I go start merge. See him like how you have Shaggy and Sean Paul thing them. Him I go out do shows and all of them something. The ticket price I go drop. All of them something, yeah, bro. The reason why Kartel the tickets so high in Canada, bro. It seem like when him just go back to US in a Barclays, it's the same thing. You know, if you just understand, says the demand, do not try criticize right now, bro. You see it, 49 years for such a huge artist, plus OVO endorse him, bro. No sick. I don't think nobody ever get this equation here yet. To create the impact what Kartel create, bro. You know, if you just understand, say, bro, all of them something here, bro. A forward after the absence, I will never go this place. So now for just say, yo, you might do him work, put in him work, bro. You understand? Nobody think no other dancehall artist now go do that, brother. And nothing no wrong. Nothing done wrong, bro. You understand? Nothing no wrong, brother. The history there I go down in a Kartel name. You see it, Kartel name, bro. But at the end of the day, Kartel life, you have to make some sacrifice to reach this, brother. You understand? And certain blockage and all of them something. If Kartel did their road, nobody knows what would have happened. Seen? And if you need to get them visa, you have to fly up from a long time for go. Nobody knows what would have happened in 2025. How if he would have do all these things. So, bro, remember say some of them arenas I never built yet, you know, bro. Sometimes you when I talk, when I say, yo, man, full out arena back to back. Brother, the arena them never make yet. So all I wanna talk about history back to back, bro. If Kartel that get visa and I do them something, yeah, bro, the arena wouldn't do it. Enough of them arena where they them build, bro. So some of the time when I talk, I realize, you understand? So people don't know things set, you know. But we have to make the people them know, say, bro, the young artists them go and do nothing and know things set, you understand? Can't watch your Kartel do, bro. You see it? Do what Uno do and become greater than Kartel. You see me? Yeah. Cause remember, you know, bro, Kartel not just impactful of a music alone, bro. Wanna see what Kartel I do in the business. You see it, wanna see the controversy, what happened, all of these things, bro. The system, the beat up, everything end up with Kartel thing, I go, bro. I will know the thing said, bro. It's not a normal artist. What if you say you're rare, but you have some people in about him thing. You see it? You have artists who are bigger than him. But why? Because them artists they not cheat and chat up with nobody. Them not go really say nothing about them and give them flowers. But you don't know Kartel and everybody good or whatsoever. So them a go do that. But I one of them thing the brother. And there's more to forward. You see it? But I one of them thing the people don't know things that I want me the facts, you know. That is it.